All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still doing our Gemini project. We're just putting a little more pieces to the puzzle. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Now, tonight we did add some more notes, and we did do a little more with some file work. So let's start from the top with some light reading. Now that our requirement file is created, we will pip install our Google Generative AI package. Now we have our first item to add to our requirements file. This will be the Google Generative AI package we just installed. The next item we will add to our requirements file is the Streamlit library. The reason we will be using Streamlit is for our front end portion of the project. Now the next thing we will do is access our CMD line from the terminal so we can create an environment. Now this is the command we will enter into our CMD line to do that. So we're just going to do conda create -p venv Python and 3.9 -y. Now we have to use Python version 3.9 or higher in this particular module, so that's what we're going to set it for. And once we create our environment, we can either select it for the workspace folder or activate it. To activate our environment, we can use the command, or we can use the command on our CMD line, conda activate venv /, and this is what we named our environment, the env or the venv. So we're just going to activate it, as you can see there. Let me see what else. Now our environment is created and activated. Basically, we just went over more note taking and little things here. We did create an API like I showed you yesterday. This right here, we're going to add into our notebook. And this, let me see exactly what the explanation what this is for. This is for to transform our text into Markdown. So this is like for display purposes only, really. And it's going to go into our Google Colab notebook. Now, with that being said, let me show you the environment really quickly. So this is the requirements that we have so far. The Google Generative AI. We have the Streamlit. Then we have the .env text that we created. This is going to hold our Google API key. Now, if you remember with this particular file, it treats everything that's inside this file as a secret, so it won't get transported when we upload or download our code to other platforms. So that's what this particular file is about. Now let me show you the Google Colab. So this is what the Colab looks like. It's a quick start. I guess everything's already pre-populated, so it's just like really a walkthrough. I guess all you have to do really here is click on the buttons to actually run everything, and everything's already pre-written. But I noticed that the instructor's quick start environment looks a lot different than mine. His code is a lot different. He is using an outdated version. Obviously, these things change every few months, it seems like. So I'm interested to see if the code will run just like this, or do I have to implement what the instructor has on his, because his looks completely different. He has some other things implemented. And then we do have to add our API key to this particular quick start screen here. But again, everything's already pre-populated with this quick screen here. So I'm assuming we're going to use this as a reference point. I'm not exactly sure. But moving forward, I will keep you posted every step of the way as usual. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.